Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Car Chapter, and I'm officially starting my road trip to Las Vegas. And the last video that you saw with the Q60, that was like a couple of days back, and I was supposed to give you guys a video, an update about the BMW, give an update on the 35,000 maintenance, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. I just had coffee. I needed coffee because I woke up at like 9 o'clock in the morning. I haven't had any sleep, so I need coffee to keep me awake through the night. And just had some burger, and then this is a very nice part of Alpharetta here. If you're in Georgia, this is you probably know where this is. This is Avalon, and it's really nice, so pretty at night. And basically, I'm gonna give you guys an update on the BMW. What the dealership did to it, what maintenance were done, and everything. So stay tuned and enjoy the view. So basically guys, the beamer's all sealed and detailed and everything. As you can see how shiny she is. And alright guys, so the problem is the car is all alright. The dealership basically says the car is good to go to go on this trip, and they flashed it back to stock when I had it. And the reason why I didn't flash it back to stock when I brought it into service is because I thought that they weren't going to do anything, considering I only asked them to do an oil change and then check the batteries, and basically nothing that would require them to actually flash it back to stock. But the guy did notice this oil light over here. Basically it says that it can't measure the oil, but if you try to manually measure it in the iDrive, it works. So this is just a consequence of the flash. And basically when I had it back from the dealership, it was gone, but then I flashed it back with boot mode, it came back. So basically this is just a non-issue, but that came back. And I'm not really worried with the dealership tagging me for the flash, for the tune, because I'm not going to go back there anyways, because my maintenance package only goes up until 35,000 miles, and that was the last maintenance that I could have gotten for free. And speaking of maintenance, so they scoped the car out, and then they basically flashed it back to stock over there, and then an oil change here. Well, it didn't need oil change, but since it was getting close to 35,000 miles, and BMW doesn't let you do the oil, the maintenance package after 35,000, and just decided to get the oil change anyways. And it's a BMW, you have to get it like every 5,000 miles. And over here we got the microfilter replaced, and remote batteries. I don't know why we need to change this at 35,000 miles, but they changed it anyway. And we got the the air filter change. I still have stock oil filter. And then this the iDrive knob over here, it was really loose. It didn't want to. You hear that clicking sound when you flip through it? Yeah, so basically mine was really loose, and I don't know how it happened. So basically it was just really loose like this and super sensitive. You touch it and then it changes menus over there. And the buttons were kind of like really stiff, so they changed this entire part out for free because it's under warranty. It's not under the maintenance package, but it was still free. And that's about it. I mean, none of this cost a dime or anything. And everything here, check the green box, so everything's good to go. All we need to do is just start the trip. And it's 12 o'clock at night, and I'm gonna be driving to Oklahoma first. From here to Oklahoma, or at least where I'm staying at, is about 987 miles, so we could just run it up to 1,000 miles. And I think it's gonna take me 12 hours, so if I speed through it, maybe 10 and a half or 11. That's consuming I don't pee at all, which is impossible. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm sorry it's kind of messy because the original video that I planned for you guys kind of got erased because I'm an idiot for accidentally erasing the footage that I had for you guys while I was trying to erase my old footages. But it is what it is. So yeah, that's for my fiance over there. So she sleeps with the whale in the back. It's not for me. So I hope you guys have a good night, and then see you guys tomorrow when we're in Oklahoma. Bye bye.